In this video, I will be showing you how to make agidi, also known as eko. Now to begin, we're going to soak the white corn. For this, we'll be using white corn. So we're going to soak that in water overnight till it swells up. And then we would rinse and grind the corn till it's smooth. So you place the corn in a blender. And once you place the corn in a blender, you add water. Cover the blender and grind till smooth. Grind till you get a very smooth paste. And once you're done grinding, we're going to sieve the corn. You can use a large sieve or this very tiny pap sieve. Now we're supposed to sieve this twice. You can use a large sieve with water running through for the first sieving, and finally you use this one to sieve also. So you pour that through the sieve. Next, we'll make the pap by pouring hot water over the starch. Once you've made the pap, you transfer that into a pot. And you keep stirring on low heat till the pap thickens like this. Just keep stirring. Now, to know if the agidi is ready to be formed or if it will set once we wrap it, we're going to place a little bit of the boiled pap in water. If it solidifies, it's ready to be wrapped. Now you get 2 leaves and wrap it just as I'm doing right now. Once you've folded the leaves, you pour the quantity you need in the leaf. I'm going to be using about 5 spoons for this. Next is to fold the agidi. Now we're going to repeat this for the rest of the batch till everything has been exhausted. It's pretty easy. It's just simply pap, cooked pap that has been wrapped. So once you have your pap ready, you won't need to buy agidi anymore, or you won't need to buy echo. You can also use nylon if you do not have the uma leaves like I'm using right now. For this, I'm using uma leaves. And repeat this step for the rest of the batch. Now you can also use one leaf to fold. Let me show you how to do that also. So you fold that and add the quantity you want into the leaf. Once you add the quantity, you fold the leaf and leave it on the flat surface. Now you repeat this for the rest of the remaining pap in the pot. You repeat this till you're done with all the pap. Now there's one thing about uma leaves when compared with using nylon to fold your agidi. Uma leaf tends to preserve the agidi more. It has some preservative properties. There's this thing with leaves. Leaves tend to preserve whatever is stored in it more. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind when using uma leaves as opposed to using like nylon. Okay. So once you're done folding, you leave it to sit at room temperature. Once it cools down, it solidifies just like this. And your agidi is ready. You can serve this with stew, you can serve this with moi moi, you can serve this with any meal of your choice. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumb up or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. Till next time, bye bye.